I would like the industry image to change so that the younger generation, especially females, see that it is an open, inclusive, welcoming industry. And fundamentally, I'd like young women to see that we can do just as good a job as men can. So I started with the business as a work experience placement. I then did the summer internship, and when I graduated I joined the graduate scheme, so I was a graduate site manager. The King's Theatre was originally built in 1905. There's a lot of old services, a lot of tunnels and crawl spaces. We are right now going through all of the methods and the different sequencing for construction and how that will affect the different areas and what we need to do to protect the theatre.
Well, here we are, Abby, on the stage in the King's Theatre. Why don't you tell me a little bit about the works that we're going to be doing here?
So the plan for this area back of house, at the stage, we are going to increase the height of the roof for the client. What that will allow them to do is to bring in more sets and have more space for showing more developed shows.
To modernise it, yeah?
Yes, exactly. So with that, quite a lot of work's involved. We need to install 4 new steel columns, right from the top of the new roof, right the way down into the basement. So we'll have a crane outside, we'll cut some pockets in the roof and drop the steel in. We'll put a new roof on, new walls, and then we'll begin the demolition internally, so right down to the stage that we're standing on at the moment.
And then the shows can commence?
Yes.
So that's the back of stage. What about the front of the house?
So at the seating area right at the top doesn't give you the best of view of the stage, so the plan is to take that away. We'll be using our crane outside, creating some openings in the roof and dropping in some new steel, creating a curved section which will have some technical rooms, and at the back of that we'll be refurbing a room to provide space for the community. So on this project we are using 360 cameras, and as we walk around the building, every half a second it will take a 360 image, and you can go back to your computer desk and basically, like Google Maps, you can navigate your way through the building. We can also have a split screen with the models, so it allows you to compare what the building looks like now and what it will look like in the future. One thing that I found at school was that the construction industry was never encouraged or really advertised, so that's something that I would like to do, engaging with schools, both secondary and primary and even down to nurseries. There's this great imbalance at the moment where there is a lot of males coming into the industry but not enough females. There's lots of roles and it's equal. There's none that are specifically for men, they're for everyone. So it's something that I would like to open the doors to get young women seeing that this is a welcoming and inviting industry for everyone.